In this video, we listed the 20 trending kitchen finds for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Anti-Scald Clip. The Anti-Scald Clip is a practical kitchen gadget designed to safely handle hot plates, bowls, dishes, and pots. Made from heat-resistant silicone and durable materials, this clip provides a secure grip, preventing burns and scalds while transferring hot cookware. It is an essential tool for those who frequently handle hot kitchenware, whether in home kitchens, restaurants, or outdoor cooking settings. This 2024 anti-scald clip features an ergonomic design for a comfortable grip and a strong clamping mechanism to securely hold different sizes of cookware. Its non-slip silicone coating ensures stability and prevents slipping while lifting hot items. The clip is lightweight, easy to store, and a must-have for anyone seeking enhanced kitchen safety and convenience. This accessory complements other kitchen tools the user is interested in, such as baking tools and household kitchen appliances, by providing extra safety while handling heated cookware. Product 2. Product name: Kitchen Pot Cover Rack. A kitchen pot cover rack is a versatile kitchen accessory designed for efficient organization and storage of pot lids, spoons, and other cooking utensils. This rack can be countertop-based, wall-mounted, or foldable, making it a space-saving solution for modern kitchens. Key features: multifunctional storage, holds pot lids, spoons, spatulas, and other kitchen tools to keep countertops clutter-free. Vertical and foldable design: some models offer a collapsible structure for easy storage when not in use. Wall-mounted option: can be installed on kitchen walls to save counter space and improve accessibility. Durable and sturdy build: made from stainless steel, plastic, or aluminum for long-lasting use. Anti-slip and stable base: ensures secure placement on countertops without tipping over. Product 3. Product name: Rotary Butter Spreader. The rotary butter spreader is a handy kitchen tool designed to make spreading butter or cheese effortless and mess-free. This upright cheese dispenser is ideal for holding butter sticks securely while allowing smooth, even application on toast, corn on the cob, baking sheets, and more. Made from durable plastic, it is lightweight, easy to clean, and convenient for everyday kitchen use. Available in 1, 2, 3-piece sets, these spreaders cater to different needs, whether for individual use or multiple spreads like garlic butter, flavored cheese, or margarine. The rotary mechanism ensures controlled dispensing, making it a practical tool for baking, grilling, and meal prep. This spreader complements a well-equipped kitchen, especially for those interested in baking tools and household kitchen appliances. Product 4. Product name: Transparent Cream Scraper. The Transparent Cream Scraper is a rectangular acrylic baking tool designed for cake making and decorating. It is commonly used to smooth frosting, create clean edges, and apply even layers of cream or icing on cakes. The transparent design allows bakers to see the underlying layers, ensuring precision and symmetry in decorating. This kitchen tool is ideal for both professional and home bakers who want to achieve smooth, polished finishes on cakes and pastries. Made from durable acrylic, it is easy to clean and reusable. The lightweight and ergonomic design makes it comfortable to handle, whether working with buttercream, ganache, or fondant. Given the user's interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, the Transparent Cream Scraper would be a valuable addition to their collection, aiding in precise cake decoration and improving presentation. Product 5. Product name: Kitchen DIY Mold Dumpling Machine. The Kitchen DIY Mold Dumpling Machine is a convenient and innovative tool designed for making homemade dumplings effortlessly. This automatic dumpling mold helps users create perfectly shaped dumpling skins with a simple press, ensuring uniform thickness and size. Ideal for those who enjoy DIY cooking, it simplifies the process of making dumplings, reducing preparation time while maintaining a professional look. This dumpling maker is particularly useful for individuals who love experimenting with baking tools and household kitchen appliances. Its creative pressure mold design ensures easy operation, making it suitable for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Whether making dumplings for family gatherings, meal prepping, or special occasions, this tool enhances efficiency while preserving the authentic taste of homemade dumplings. Product 6. Product name: Toast Bread Slicer Stand. The Toast Bread Slicer Stand is a foldable plastic cutting tool designed to help users achieve uniform bread slices with ease. It serves as a sandwich cutter mold, loaf cutter rack, and baking tool, making it an essential kitchen gadget for home bakers and cooking enthusiasts. Key features: heavy checkmark adjustable thickness, allows precise cutting for different slice thicknesses, perfect for sandwiches or toast. Heavy checkmark foldable and compact, easy to store and saves space in the kitchen. Heavy checkmark durable plastic design, lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring long-lasting use. Heavy checkmark easy to use and clean, simple setup for effortless slicing, can be easily cleaned after use. Heavy checkmark versatile compatibility, suitable for homemade bread, store-bought loaves, and even slicing bagels or cakes. Product 7. Product name: Multifunctional Eggshell Opener. The 1-2 multifunctional eggshell opener is a handy kitchen gadget designed for effortlessly cracking and separating eggshells with precision. This handheld tool serves as an egg cracker, separator, and eggshell cutter, making it ideal for those who frequently work with raw eggs in cooking and baking. Its easy open mechanism ensures a clean break without leaving shell fragments in your dish. Given the user's interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, this eggshell opener aligns well with their needs. It simplifies tasks like preparing eggs for cakes, omelets, or homemade mayonnaise, enhancing convenience in the kitchen. Whether used for a single egg or multiple eggs at once, this tool is a practical addition for anyone who values efficiency and cleanliness while cooking. Product 8. Product name: Japanese Bamboo Chopsticks. The 5 pairs Japanese bamboo chopsticks are a set of reusable, eco-friendly kitchen tools designed for enjoying sushi, hot pot, and other Asian cuisine. Crafted from high-quality bamboo, these chopsticks feature a non-slip design, ensuring a firm grip on food for a better dining experience. Their lightweight yet durable construction makes them a sustainable alternative to disposable chopsticks. Given the user's interest in kitchen tools and household appliances, these chopsticks align well with their focus on practical and reusable kitchenware. The set is suitable for everyday use, offering both functionality and a traditional Japanese aesthetic. Additionally, their heat-resistant and smooth finish makes them easy to clean and maintain, making them a great addition to any kitchen setup. Product 9. Product name: Titanium Cutting Boards. Titanium cutting boards, such as the titanium cutting boards for kitchen stainless board 3.0 for steel-thickened double-sided food-grade portable fruit meat chopping, offer a durable, versatile, and hygienic option for meal prep in the kitchen. These cutting boards combine the strength and corrosion resistance of titanium with the practicality of stainless steel, making them ideal for cutting both fruits and meats. The 304 stainless steel construction ensures resistance to rust, stains, and odors, while also being non-porous and easy to clean. The thickened design enhances its strength, offering a sturdy surface that can withstand heavy-duty chopping without warping or cracking. The double-sided functionality maximizes its utility, allowing users to alternate sides for different tasks, thus maintaining hygiene by minimizing cross-contamination between different food types. These boards are also portable, making them a convenient choice for both home kitchens and outdoor activities like camping or barbecues. With food-grade certification, they ensure safety in food preparation. Product 10. Product name: Silicone Faucet Mat. A silicone faucet mat is a versatile and practical accessory designed for the kitchen sink area. It functions as a sink tray, providing a protective surface for storing soap dispensers, sponges, and other small kitchen tools. This mat is ideal for catching excess water and preventing countertop damage from water splashes or soap drips, making it perfect for areas near the sink. Made from flexible, durable silicone, the mat is easy to clean, resistant to stains, and heatproof. It also helps with drainage by allowing water to flow through while keeping the countertop dry and organized. The splash drying mat aspect ensures that water quickly evaporates, keeping your countertop cleaner and drier. Additionally, the silicone material is non-slip, ensuring the mat stays in place, even during busy kitchen tasks. Product 11. Product name: Kitchen Scissors. High-quality multifunctional kitchen scissors are an essential tool for any well-equipped kitchen. These scissors are designed to tackle a variety of tasks, making them a versatile addition to your culinary arsenal. Specifically, the high-quality multifunctional kitchen scissors are perfect for cutting through chicken bones, scraping fish scales, opening bottles, and even cracking walnuts. The sharp stainless steel blades ensure precise cutting and durability, making them ideal for both everyday kitchen tasks and more specialized functions. In addition to their practical design, these kitchen scissors typically come with ergonomic handles for comfortable use, even during prolonged cutting sessions. Whether you're trimming meats, prepping fish, or cracking open tough nuts, these scissors provide a convenient and efficient alternative to traditional knives. Their multifunctionality also saves space in the kitchen by combining several tools into one, streamlining food preparation and ensuring that your kitchen is always ready for the task at hand. Product 12. Product name: Large Hand Danish Dough Whisk. The Large Hand Danish Dough Whisk is an essential kitchen tool for anyone passionate about baking, particularly for mixing bread, cake, pastry dough, and even for beating eggs. This whisk features a sturdy stainless steel construction, offering durability and resistance to rust, making it ideal for frequent use in the kitchen. Its large handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for better control while mixing thick doughs or batters, which can be challenging with traditional whisks or electric mixers. The whisk's unique design includes wide, flexible loops that are perfect for combining ingredients efficiently without overworking the dough, ensuring that you maintain the right texture for breads and pastries. This makes it an excellent tool for preparing everything from artisan breads to delicate cake batters. Additionally, the Danish dough whisk can handle tasks like beating eggs, blending batter, or even stirring up thicker mixtures, making it a versatile addition to any baker's toolkit. Product 13. Product name: Machine 2 and Mold Dumplings Maker. The Machine 2 and Mold Dumplings Maker is an efficient and innovative kitchen device designed for making dumplings, empanadas, raviolis, and other similar stuffed foods. This versatile appliance combines two functions in one device: a skin wrapper and a dumpling press. It simplifies the traditionally time-consuming process of preparing dumplings, ensuring consistent shape and size with minimal effort. The machine allows users to easily press and mold dough skins, then fill them with desired ingredients, creating neatly sealed dumplings or empanadas. Ideal for both home cooks and small-scale food businesses, this 2-in-1 machine eliminates the need for manual folding and sealing, which can be labor-intensive. With its ergonomic design, it provides a user-friendly experience for creating multiple dumplings in a short period, perfect for meal prep, parties, or family gatherings. Its durability and ease of use make it a great addition to any kitchen, streamlining the preparation of your favorite stuffed treats. Whether you're making dumplings, raviolis, or empanadas, the Machine 2 and Mold Dumplings Maker enhances the efficiency of your cooking process. Product 14. Product name: 4PC Set Baking Mold. The 4PC Set Baking Mold stainless steel smile face biscuit cookie cutter cake decorating molds is a versatile and practical tool designed for baking enthusiasts. Made of durable stainless steel, these molds are ideal for creating fun, smiley face-shaped biscuits, cookies, and cakes. They are perfect for adding a cheerful touch to your baked goods, whether for parties, special occasions, or just for fun. The set includes for different molds, giving you flexibility in creating various smiley faces and other creative designs. The stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting use, making them a reliable addition to any kitchen. These cookie cutters are easy to clean, resistant to rust, and maintain their shape even after multiple uses. Product 15. Product name: Magnetic Knife Holder. A magnetic knife holder is a practical and convenient solution for organizing knives in the kitchen. This wall-mounted magnet holder allows knives to be stored safely and within easy reach, helping to save counter space and reduce clutter. The magnetic feature ensures a secure hold, allowing knives to be hung without the need for traditional knife blocks or drawer organizers. In the context of household kitchen appliances and tools, The magnetic knife holder offers an efficient alternative for knife storage, offering a sleek design that complements modern kitchens. It is typically installed with a punch-free design, meaning it can be mounted on walls without the need for drilling, making it easy to install and move as needed. This type of knife holder is not only practical but also helps to keep knives sharp and easily accessible, while also maintaining a tidy and organized kitchen environment. Product 17. Product name: Garlic Press Crusher. A garlic press crusher is an essential tool for any kitchen, designed to make garlic preparation quick and easy. This manual garlic mincer, typically crafted from durable stainless steel, is perfect for mincing garlic cloves without the need for peeling them. The tool works by simply placing a garlic clove into the chamber and pressing down on the handle, which forces the garlic through small holes, finely chopping it. This method is faster and more efficient than using a knife, allowing for the release of the garlic's essential oils, enhancing flavor in cooking. The garlic press crusher is particularly useful for those who enjoy cooking with fresh garlic but want to avoid the tedious task of finely chopping it manually. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to use even when pressed with a significant amount of force. Being a manual kitchen gadget, it does not require batteries or electricity, making it an eco-friendly addition to your kitchen tools. Product 18. Product name: Stainless Steel Sieve Filter Spoon. The stainless steel sieve filter spoon is a versatile kitchen accessory designed to make cooking and food preparation easier and more efficient. Made from durable stainless steel, this multifunctional tool serves as both a sieve and a strainer, making it perfect for draining excess oil from fried foods, rinsing fruits and vegetables, or separating solids from liquids. Its fine mesh allows for quick and thorough filtration, ensuring that your food remains crisp and free from excess oil. This handheld cooking gadget also doubles as a spoon, offering a comfortable grip and ease of use when moving or serving food. Whether you're frying, boiling, or steaming, this sieve filter spoon is an essential tool for maintaining cleanliness and promoting healthier cooking by reducing unnecessary grease. Ideal for both everyday cooking and more advanced culinary tasks, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup, complementing other essential tools and appliances for a well-equipped cooking environment. Product 19. Product name: Chestnut Clip. The chestnut clip is a versatile kitchen tool designed for cracking and opening chestnuts, walnuts, peanuts, and other similar shells with ease. Made from durable stainless steel, this multifunctional sheller offers a practical solution for preparing nuts in the kitchen. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing users to efficiently crack the hard outer shells of chestnuts and other nuts without damaging the contents inside. It can also be used for opening peanuts and walnuts, making it a great addition to any kitchen tool collection. Ideal for cooking, baking, or simply enjoying roasted nuts, the chestnut clip is a must-have gadget for anyone who loves working with fresh nuts. Its sleek design and functionality make it a valuable asset for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Product 20. Product name: Stainless Steel Vegetable Peeler. The stainless steel vegetable peeler is a versatile and essential kitchen tool designed to make food preparation easier and more efficient. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this peeler is built to withstand regular use while maintaining its sharpness and reliability. It's ideal for peeling vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and other fruits, offering a smooth, quick peeling process. The multifunctionality of this tool makes it not only a potato peeler but also a carrot grater and fruit tool. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, which reduces hand strain during extended use. This kitchen accessory is a must-have for anyone looking to speed up meal prep while maintaining precision in their culinary tasks. Whether you're preparing ingredients for a hearty stew, a fresh salad, or fruit for dessert, the stainless steel vegetable peeler enhances efficiency and helps achieve a clean, professional finish every time.